Meet the iconic Nissan R390 LMG T1, number 32, a true legend from 1998 that conquered the racing world with a remarkable third place with overall finish in its class, and the best record of Nissan at 24-hour Le Mans in 1998. This powerhouse is equipped with X-Track 6-speed sequential manual gearbox, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Beneath the hood, it's a V8 twin-turbocharged rear-mid engine, defining the very essence of high performance with a rear-wheel drive setup. This racing marvel embodies the perfect balance of power and agility. This is a legacy of the Nissan LMG T1. What a podium worth racing spirit. So as you can see, the facility is nice and airy. So stepping into the exhilarating world of motorsport history, here as it is: Nissan JGTC GT500 Pensile NISMO R35 Skyline GTR. GT500 champion and dominated the 1998 All Japan Grand Touring Championship, powered by the highly tuned RB26 DETT 2.7-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder engine. So this racing marvel left an indelible mark on the circuit victories at the iconic Suzuka circuit in round 1 and the high-speed Sendai Highland Raceway in round 2. On the season, driver Masami and Eric C won the Drivers' Championship at the same time, and they showcased the unparalleled powers of the Pensile NISMO R33, solidifying its place in racing folklore. So you guys know this is a famous car that anyone who played Gran Turismo. This is a 2002 Calsonic Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. Nissan did some changes to this car in this year, with replacing the RB26 DETT inline 6 engine with the newer aluminum block VQ30 DETT 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. The newer motor debuts at the summer race at Fuji, and 2003 this car secured victories at the Suzuka circuit and All Japan Mount Fuji seasons. So this is a 2019 R35 GTR GT500 car. Beneath its hood, it's NR20A 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo engine. So you can see here swan neck design of the rear wing is not only adds the touch of elegance but also contributes to enhance aerodynamics, ensuring superior performance on the track with its insane aerodynamics and cutting-edge technology. So you can see in the workshop, we can see all the demo cars and cars from the customers. So over here we can see CRS R32s, gunmetal color R33s and R34, and customers can come to this place and they can do restorations or they can get their cars fixed in this facility. And over there behind the wall, it's the plant that they make the new Nissan GT car known as Fair Lady Z, because from 2023 Nissan C is competing in the Super GT and other competitions. Over here it's the Omori factory shop. This is all the aftermarket NISMO parts and everything is displayed here. You can see the S1 engine, VR38, $25,000 price tag. RB26 R4 engine, and the RB26 S2 engine, $41,000. It's very expensive. So here is the dry sump engine with magnesium cam covers. They were used in the JGTC GT500 R35 GTR. And here we can see a Group A Renaissance engine. It was in the R32 GTR. Alright guys, that wraps up today's Omori factory video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.